Hello everyone. This is my 1999 Ducati 900 Supersport. I bought this bike new in 1999. That's about 21 years ago. And I had to replace the instrument cluster. Let me show you why. So my original one started to have a crack right here on the RPM gauge, and then I noticed that I don't ride the bike much, and it had come loose. So the back of this cluster right here has a big crack in it. I'm sure you can see it right there, and all of the mounting features also broke off right there. This one here kind of broke as well, and so it was kind of beyond repair. I bought one from eBay. This is the speedometer and the odometer from the one I bought, and I replaced it, and the one on here, so I took my old odometer with 9,000 miles on it, and I used the rest of what I bought from eBay and put it together. I made this video to show how this goes on and what I had to do to take the old one off, but I'm halfway through, so I just quickly describe it. Basically, the shield in the front needs to come off. This item right here, the front fairing needs to come off, and the headlight needs to come off to get access to all the mounting features that are underneath this. Otherwise, there's just no way you could do it. So after removing this, I basically took this off, the old one off. I rebuilt it with the new parts. There's only a connector here and a similar one on the other side, and those are the only two that you need to undo, and the rest is pretty easy. Now I just got to go reverse the process. I already installed the headlight. Now I go and install the fairing back on, and then the shield over the top of that, and then the two side mirrors. One thing to remember is their mounting features down here and over here that you might actually miss. You got to take those off, maybe loosen this side fairing a bit so you can pull back on it and get access to those on both sides. So I'll go and start with the fairing and pick up the video from there. Okay, the front fairing is back in place. Two screws on each side here and there, and just remember that I forgot to tell you that there's 3 screws that hold the instrument cluster to the frame. So there's 3 of them. There's one in the middle, one on this side, and one down below. Make sure all of those are taken out. So the rest is pretty easy. Just mount the side mirrors and the front shield, and fasten up the side fairings. I mean, the real key was to remove the old speedometer from the new cluster I bought from eBay. There's some, that's pretty easy actually. The only thing is there's a little hole in the middle of this reset tripodometer reset thing, and there's a very small Phillips head screwdriver. You have to go inside it, take that out, and then you can take that out and take the whole unit apart. And this is the finished product. Came out really good. The crack is gone on the RPM gauge. I put my own odometer back in there too. I think if you just follow the order of taking the parts off, you can get to the back of this fairly easily, but I had to sort of experiment to find out, so I thought I'd make this video. Ride safe. Take care.